Hi there, I'm Warren Nash and today we are making summer fruits pancakes. These are great because they only need a few ingredients plus they're quick to prepare, putting a tasty sweet twist on the traditional savoury pancake. Now firstly we're going to make our pancake batter. So take a mixing bowl and add 125 grams of plain flour. And to save sieving, simply run a whisk through the flour. Now pour in 300 millilitres of semi-skimmed milk, then crack in 1 egg. Again, using a whisk these ingredients together until you make a nice smooth batter. Next, take a large non-stick frying pan and place it over a medium to high heat on the stove. Heat up a small amount of oil, then spoon in your first lot of batter to make your first pancake. And make sure it's evenly spread across the pan, forming a nice thin layer of batter. Leave your pancake to cook on one side, then use a spatula to loosen the edges, then flip your pancake. Leave your pancake to cook for a small while longer on the other side, then remove from the heat and slide your pancake out of the pan and make as many more pancakes as you want using the leftover batter. And now for our summer fruit filling, simply take 400 grams of frozen summer fruits and heat up in the microwave. Then for each pancake, take your pancake, then spoon out some of the hot summer fruits into the middle. Then carefully wrap up your pancake, ensuring it's closed at one end. And now to finish your pancakes off, simply drizzle over some of the juice from the summer fruits, and if you need to make the juice a bit thicker, simply mix in some icing sugar. Speaking of which, then sprinkle over some more icing sugar, then your summer fruits pancakes are ready to enjoy.